Y'all, how y'all doing today? Jennifer here, aka the Laptop Cruiser. And in about 60 days, I'll be moving full time on a cruise ship. Woohoo! I'm excited. Y'all excited for me? You should be, because it's been a long time coming. But what most people don't see is what it actually takes to get ready for this type of freedom and that lifestyle. So, and also that kind of lifestyle that don't blow your entire budget. So this ain't about no kind of flex, and there's definitely no faking over here. It's all about doing it smart. So in today's video, I'm walking you through exactly how I'm preparing to cruise life without, how I'm prepping for cruise life without spending a fortune. So I don't know if you're in a season of transition. You should be. You should always be transitioning to a better version of yourself. But wanting to simplify travel or just live differently, this is for you. Let's start with the why. This move isn't impulsive. I've been planning this since 2019. Things just got in the way. The whole world shut down. But it's definitely intentional. So, I spent years living a life that looked stable on the outside, but felt anything but free on the inside. And I know a lot of people feel like that. We just go through the motions every day. Even though the idea of living on a cruise ship sounds dreamy, what I really want is just the peace, the clarity, and the complete redefinition of what life could look like. So I didn't just want to sell everything and hope it works. That's kind of was my plan before. I was like, well, if it don't work, I'll just jump off the cruise, do some DoorDashing or some Uber, make enough money, get back on the ship. That was how I was moving before. But this time, I asked myself, how do I make this lifestyle sustainable before I even step on a cruise ship? So let me tell you what I'm not doing. I'm not spending hundreds of dollars on cruise gadgets and stuff like that. All that stuff they show you on TikTok and show you for Amazon, like, hey, you need this, get these hooks and get this. I'm not doing all that. I'm just not buying a whole bunch of stuff. When I downsize, I downsize. And this version of freedom, this started with discernment. Not just downsizing stuff, but downsizing decisions. Oh, that was powerful. Let me say that again. Not downsizing stuff, downsizing decisions. So here's what I'm doing. Number one, I'm downsizing intentionally. Every item I donate, sell, or release is one less thing weighing me down, physically and emotionally. And some days it's hard, but it is so freeing. Believe you me, it is very freeing. And two, I'm creating digital income. No inventory, no shipping, just digital products that I create once and get to sell while I'm at sea. I think right now I'm up to 3 or 4 digital products, so I'm getting there. So I'm not rich off of it yet, but I am creating options and multiple streams of income. And number 3, I'm tracking my spending. I'm prepping my budget like it's my business. And that's very important to me because let me tell you why. Kim, after 50, did a video on her budgeting. She has the envelope system where you put the cash in the envelopes. I know I've seen it with Dave Ramsey. I've actually done it with Dave Ramsey, but not like she's doing it. Her stuff was on point. She made me totally relook at how I did my budget and how I categorize certain things. So my budget looked totally different now. And thank you, Kim. That was an eye opener for me. And y'all need to check it out. I'm going to drop the link to the video in the comments or down below somewhere, because y'all, if y'all into budgeting and you want to see how well she did it, you need to check out that video. She was very detailed. I loved it. It really helped me. And I found the exact little envelope thing she had online. So I was excited about that because it was real cute. But anyway, I'm really just trying to be strategic. I'm really just trying to automate as much stuff as I can. And so I can, this digital life, I'm selling people stuff. I'm living my life, recording it or documenting it and selling it to someone that needs to get from 0 to step 1. And then when I get to step 2, then I'm going to teach them how to get there, and so forth and so on. We all have that knowledge that somebody else needs to know. So if you ain't digitized yours yet, you need to do so. In step 4, I'm simplifying my digital life by unsubscribing and streamlining everything I'll need to run my life and business from anywhere in the world. And 5, I'm living the lifestyle now before I even step on board. I'm slowing down my routines, my morning mindsets and my meditations, learning to enjoy peace without pressure, just slowing down how your life would be on a cruise. You're not rushing to do anything other than to eat all day. But you don't have to be on the ship to start living a softer life. That's just how I chose to do mine, because I'm tired of cooking and cleaning. I can't wait to get on the ship and I don't have to worry about what I'm going to cook for dinner if I got all the ingredients and all this and all of that. I want to wake up and know, like, hey, I want some fruit. It's going to be some fresh fruit out there. Hey, I want a burger. It's a burger over there. Whatever I want within reason is available to me. So I'm excited. So letting go all the physical stuff, that was easy. But letting go of the version of myself that survived all this past stuff, that was the real work. And some people they just don't get it. And it's okay. Some think it's unrealistic. Others say, you just lucky, that you can do that. No, it ain't got nothing to do with luck. This is a series of quiet, powerful choices. You hear me? Powerful choices. The downsizing and decluttering one area at a time. And the main thing was one bold yes at a time. So if you're watching and you thinking, could I actually create a life like that? I want you to know, hell yeah. Don't get mad because I said hell. You absolutely could. It may not look like cruise ships for you, but freedom is available in whatever way feels aligned for your life. So just comment below and tell me what you're prepping for. I'd love to hear your version of freedom. I'm Jennifer, aka the Laptop Cruiser. And if you want to follow the full countdown to the cruise life, go ahead and subscribe, because I'm taking you with me every step of the way.